Is Edge the new Ultra phone? What, why, when, and where is the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge? Samsung's most craziest premium phone ever made, even surpassing their Ultra model. I've been using the S25 Ultra since the launch day, but I kid you not, I've been very intrigued by the existence of the S25 Edge. Is Edge the better buy for the expensive buyers? Well, let's dive in. Oh, this is exclusive. Samsung has actually reached out and they have increased the pre-order exclusive massive gift for the S25 series until February 7th. This is an exclusive offer. Links are mentioned in the description, so you can still save up to $1,200. Check it out. So what is Galaxy S25 Edge? Well, Edge used to mean a curved display, but now Edge means cutting edge. Like this, for the first time in years, is a proper ultra-thin flagship phone on the market that you're not gonna find until we see the iPhone 17 Air. It oozes premiumness and Samsung's absolute design mastery, to the point where it's literally going to shock people because it's gonna be around 6.4mm thin, which is crazy when you compare it even to the standard S25 and the S25 Plus. I'm not gonna lie, as a user of S25 Ultra, I definitely do miss that crazy shock factor that we used to have with the flagship phones. But now every year, standard flagship phones are getting a little bit better, a little bit thicker, with bigger camera sensors, also adding the extra weight. But somehow Samsung has revived one of the main reasons why people would buy a flagship phone back in the days, and that is the ultra thin form factor with the S25 Edge. But obviously there is a catch behind this extra premium design. Considering how thin the S25 Edge is, you might be thinking that it's probably having a very low battery size, but it's actually said to rock a 3900 mAh battery, which is almost on the same level as the base Galaxy S25, which honestly, considering how thin it is, sounds pretty amazing. Obviously, this is a lot less compared to the S25 Ultra, which has a 5000 mAh cell. Under the hood, the S25 Edge will be rocking a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, so you're gonna get pretty much the same performance as the S25 Ultra. Up front, it's rocking the same panel as the Galaxy S25 Plus, so we're looking at 6.7-inch screen with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and 2600 nits of peak brightness. Despite being super premium, the S25 Edge won't have the Gorilla Glass armor as the S25 Ultra, and it's also missing out on that anti-reflective screen. But where Samsung does do justice to its Edge name, as in cutting edge, is with the cameras. This is the first Samsung flagship phone since Galaxy S10e from 2019 to come with a dual camera setup. But no, this is no ordinary dual camera setup. It's set to rock the same main 200 megapixel sensor as the S25 Ultra, along with a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor. Although the ultra wide could be 50 megapixel, we're not sure about that detail, so pretty much we're getting the half ultra experience with no long range zoom sensors. Without a proper 5x zoom, you're not going to be able to take those creamy 5x portraits that you can take from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Although I wish it had 3x optical zoom, it's still going to be interesting to see how Samsung will be utilizing the main 200 megapixel sensor for that sensor crop zoom. With everything considered, in the battle of the Edge and the Ultra, it seems like Ultra is still the best bet for majority of people. With that out of the way, the S25 Edge does seems to be a perfect candidate for people who are not too much into specs, yet they want the most premium thin and light device without taking any compromises on the specs that much. Samsung knows that the S25 Edge is for the specific people out there, which is why it's rumored to come out a bit late at around April of this year. So for majority of people, Galaxy S25 Ultra is still the way to go, but S25 Edge, this phone is about to kick off a new ultra-thin era of smartphone that's gonna have its own value very soon. And let's not forget, the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air is also expected to come out this year, so it's gonna be a proper kickoff of this ultimate battle of these ultra-thin flagship phones. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. As always, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. Don't miss out on Samsung's exciting pre-order deals for the S25 series. With that being said, I'll catch you later. Peace out.